Hi, I am so excited to announce the Loan Signing System 2.0 has just launched. How do you make the best loan signing agent training course even better? Well, let me tell you, I am covering training modules on the 5 major mortgage products or the 5 type of signings that you're going to encounter at a loan closing appointment. And that is adjustable rate mortgages, HELOCs, which are home equity line of credits. It is reverse mortgages, seller packages, and also fixed rate notes. So every single loan signing system course, the fundamental course, the professional course, and the 6-figure course will be updated with new training modules. As a loan signing agent, we are allowed to give general descriptions of the loan documents the borrower is signing. And you can't be the best loan signing agent out there if you don't know how to go over adjustable rate mortgages, over HELOCs, over reverse mortgages, over seller packages, and obviously the fixed rate note, which are the most popular in every signing. The Loan Signing System 2.0 is here. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. If you're a Loan Signing System student, just go check your course player. It's automatically been updated. If you've been sitting on the sidelines saying, man, I'm looking at the Loan Signing System, is it for me? Understand, we are the only course that goes over all major mortgage products. That's right. How do you make the best course even better? You go into mortgage products that no other course covers in detail. Now, it doesn't stop there. So every single course has been upgraded to a 2.0 model. The fundamental course now comes with learning how to market yourself directly to escrow officers. That's right. It's not just how to put your name in a signing agent databases like every other course out there. The most important thing you can learn as a loan signing agent is how to market yourself, and that is now included in every single one of my courses. I can't be more excited to announce that fact. How did the professional course get even better? Well, now that comes with 4 months of mentoring. Yes, 4 months of access directly to me. If you're a loan signing system student, you already know how much access you get to me. If you're on the outside looking in saying, man, is the loan signing system for me? I don't want to feel like I'm on an island. I don't want to feel like I'm by myself. Well, Mark actually talked to me and helped me through the whole process. Ask any of my students. The answer is abso-freaking-lutely. I'm so excited if you can't tell. So the professional course got upgraded with mentoring. That didn't happen before. That used to be only available to the 6-figure signing agent students. Now, how did the 6-figure signing agent course get even better? Well, it's basically 3 courses in 1 course now. So now not only do you get the way I built my loan signing agency, not only do you get the way that I've taught thousands of people how to make money in the loan signing agent industry, because that is coming from the perspective of how I built my business. I'm now going to give you the perspective of how other signing agents built their business. There is now a training module with 6-figure signing agents and how they built their business. So you're not only going to learn how I built my business, but you're going to learn how other 6-figure signing agents built their business, what marketing tactics they use, what strategies they use. So you're now going to get as if they created a signing agent course because it's now in my course. How amazing is that? It doesn't stop there. I've also included more training modules from escrow officers and mortgage officers. Mortgage officers and escrow officers are our clients. If you're trying to bypass the signing service, you want to figure out how to market yourself to mortgage officers and escrow officers. So I now have training modules directly from escrow officers or mortgage officers, not only from what they expect at a signing from a good signing agent, but they're going to teach you exactly how you should market yourself to them. So it's not even me standing on the soapbox saying this is how you should market. Even though that's been incredibly successful for so many students of mine, I'm now bringing in the actual people that hire signing agents so you can learn from them. So the 6-figure signing agent 2.0 course is absolutely phenomenal. It's all the training materials you get from me that I've been using for the past 1.5 years of teaching students, but now it's 6-figure signing agents, almost as if they had a training course. They're now in my course and teaching you how they built their business. How phenomenal is that? It's so awesome, right? And I'm going to end with the most amazing part of the 6-figure signing agent 2.0 is that now comes with 6 months of mentorship with me. Not 4 months, but 6 months of me in your corner. Mark, how do you do this? Mark, how do you do that? You can ask any one of my students. Am I available to answer any of their questions? They Facebook message me at 10 at night, I answer them. They Facebook message me at 6 a.m. If I'm up, I answer them. At the end of the day, you're going to get 6 months of me helping you build this business from scratch, or if you're already a signing agent and you want to learn how to market your business and actually get to the next level, I'm there for you too. The Loan Signing System 2.0 is available for everybody. I cannot be more excited. Per the usual, if you have any comments, please comment below. Like my page, subscribe to my page. I'm Mark. I teach the loan signing system, and I'm excited for you to see the Loan Signing System 2.0.